In today's world, energy efficiency is more than a trend, it's a necessity. Homeowners are increasingly aware of the impact their choices have on both the environment and their wallets. Windows Tailor, a leader in the home improvement industry, offers a game-changing solution that enhances energy efficiency while maximizing indoor comfort. Here's how Windows Tailor makes a difference. Energy-efficient window design. Windows Tailor takes pride in creating windows that excel in energy efficiency. Their products are designed to reduce energy loss, a common issue in many homes, particularly older ones. Traditional windows often allow heat to escape in the winter and penetrate in the summer, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Windows Tailor combats this problem with advanced technologies, such as double or triple glazing. Windows Tailor uses double or triple pane glass with insulating gas layers like argon or krypton between panes. These layers act as barriers against heat transfer, keeping your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer. Low-E glass coatings. Low emissivity, low-E coatings are thin metallic layers applied to the glass. These coatings reflect heat and UV rays, preventing solar heat gain in the summer and retaining warmth in the winter. Thermal break frames. Many of their window frames feature thermal breaks, insulated sections that prevent heat transfer through the frame material itself. Lower energy bill. Investing in Windows Tailor products means long-term savings. Heating and cooling account for a significant portion of a household's energy expenses. By reducing energy loss through state-of-the-art window technology, homeowners can lower their energy consumption and see noticeable reductions in utility bills. The savings extend beyond monthly bills. Many regions offer rebates or incentives for installing energy-efficient windows, further offsetting the initial investment in Windows Tailor products. Enhanced indoor comfort. Beyond energy savings, Windows Tailor significantly improves indoor comfort. Temperature fluctuations and drafts caused by inefficient windows can disrupt your living space. Windows Tailor eliminates these issues by ensuring even temperatures throughout your home. Reduced noise pollution. Windows Tailor windows don't just insulate against temperature changes, they also reduce noise pollution. Their multi-pane designs and advanced ceiling systems dampen outdoor sounds, creating a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. This feature is especially valuable for homes near busy streets, airports, or urban centers. Sustainable and eco-friendly choices. Windows Tailor is committed to sustainability. Their manufacturing processes prioritize eco-friendly materials and methods. For instance, they use recyclable components, minimizing environmental impact. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you're not just improving your home but contributing to a greener planet. Customization to fit every need. Windows Tailor understands that every home is unique. Their customizable window solutions ensure a perfect fit for your style and functional needs. Homeowners can choose from a wide range of designs, frame materials, and glass options to complement their home's architecture while reaping the benefits of modern energy efficiency. Cutting-edge installation techniques proper installation is as crucial as the windows themselves. Windows Tailor employs trained professionals who ensure airtight seals and optimal performance. This meticulous approach prevents leaks and gaps that can undermine even the most advanced window designs. Long-term durability. Windows Tailor products are built to last. High-quality materials and rigorous manufacturing standards ensure that their windows remain effective for years, reducing the need for frequent replacements. This durability further enhances the cost-effectiveness and sustainability of their solutions. The Windows Tailor difference. Choosing Windows Tailor is about more than buying windows, it's about improving your quality of life. From lower energy bills to enhanced comfort and a reduced environmental footprint, their products deliver benefits that go far beyond aesthetics. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading an existing one, Windows Tailor's energy-efficient windows offer a smart, sustainable investment. Their combination of advanced technology, customization options, and professional installation ensures that you can enjoy a home that is both comfortable and environmentally friendly. Take the next step. Windows Tailor makes it easy to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Contact their team today to explore options tailored to your needs and experience the difference high-performance windows can make. With Windows Tailor, you're not just investing in your home, you're investing in a better, greener future.